Hello investors, it's Zil from Equitymaster, bringing you investing insights to make investing simple and easy to learn. To stay updated on investing trends and the latest developments on Indian markets, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. In the wake of Operation Sindoor conducted by Indian Armed Forces, the focus has shifted to defense stocks in the Indian market. During times of military conflict, investors look to these stocks as potential buying opportunities. Now, we are not saying this is the right approach. Buying what is already popular in the market doesn't always result in market-beating returns. But you should have these stocks on your watch list. After all, these companies have a long runway of growth ahead of them. India's defense spending has seen a significant increase in recent years due to the country's focus on modernizing its armed forces and indigenizing its defense procurement. The government is fully committed to this process. The FY26 defense budget in India was increased to $78.4 billion, representing a 9.5% rise from the previous year. Thus, the revenue growth of these firms should be good if they play their cards right. With that in mind, here are 4 defense stocks that you should have on your watch list. Before we move on, please note this video is for information purposes only. It is not a stock recommendation and should not be treated as such. There is no opinion or view on any stock covered herein. With that disclaimer out of our way, let's get started. First on the list is Bharat Electronics Limited. The company designs and manufactures advanced electronic systems for the Indian Armed Forces. Its portfolio includes radars and fire control systems, missile systems, C4I systems, electronic warfare systems, avionics equipment, naval systems like anti-submarine warfare solutions, electro-optics and tank electronics, and weapon upgrades, among others. The stock has been a wealth creator over the year but has been range-bound over the last year or so. BEL has consistently reported growth in net profits and revenues. In the last 5 years, the company has shown a compounded growth rate in net profits of 16.4%. For the quarter ending December 2024, profits jumped to 1,316 million rupees from 893 million rupees in the same quarter of the previous year. Going forward, the company is expanding through new strategic business units, manufacturing facilities, and partnerships backed by a robust and growing order book. These efforts position BEL to enhance its indigenous defense production capabilities, broaden its product portfolio, and strengthen its global market presence. Next on the list is Solar Industries. Solar Industries is an Indian defense manufacturer specializing in explosives, ammunition, and certain advanced weapon systems. The company has significantly expanded its presence in the defense sector. It supplies critical products to the Indian Armed Forces. These include components of artillery rockets and missiles as well as loitering munitions. Recently, the company also forayed into manufacturing propulsion systems for space launch vehicles. Successive order wins have boosted the company's stock's price. Solar Industries has performed well over the years. Net profits have grown at a compounded annual growth rate of 25.9% over the last 5 years. The promoters also hold a high stake at 73.1%. Moving ahead, the company will benefit from India's push for self-reliance in defense production, securing long-term contracts for ammunition, rockets, and advanced weapon systems, which provide stable revenue streams. Also, ongoing investments in research and development and new product development, including loitering munitions and UAV-related defense products, are expected to enhance profitability and operational efficiency. Next on our list is Paras Defense and Space Technologies. Paras Defense is engaged in the development of defense automation and control systems, rugged command and control consoles, avionics suits, and electronic control systems. Specifically, it serves critical segments such as missile motor tubes, space optics, hyperspectral cameras, and electromagnetic pulse protection systems. It's also engaged in the production of flow-formed rocket and missile motor tubes, electromechanical assemblies, and remote-controlled border defense system. Paras Defense is a preferred partner for several strategic government programs in India's defense and space sectors. Its key customers include defense public sector undertakings, space agencies, research organizations, among others. The company's recent focus has been on deepening its capabilities in optics and optronics systems, areas expected to be critical for future warfare, autonomous defense, and space-based surveillance. On the financial front, net profits have grown at 9.6% compounded growth rate over the last 5 years. The company has been in the news recently for a stock split. It has also completed a qualified institutional placement to raise funds and strengthen its balance sheet. The long-term outlook for the company is supported by the strong indigenization push in India's defense procurement, rising defense capex allocations, and the need for advanced imaging, communication, and mobility solutions. Last on the list is Nive Limited. Nive is an emerging player in India's defense and aerospace sector, specializing in precision engineering, composite materials, and advanced manufacturing solutions. Initially focused on industrial components, the company has rapidly expanded into defense, supplying critical parts for missile systems, drones, and armored vehicles. In the defense segment, the company manufactures structures, sub-assemblies and assemblies of mobile weapon launchers for programs such as BrahMos missile, MRSAM, and Pinaka rocket launcher. In the e-motor segment, company through its subsidiary Nive e-motor deals in e-bicycle, e-rickshaw, batteries and motors, hybrid PCU, solar induction cooker, water treatment unit. The company boasts of a strong clientele which includes all three Indian Defence Forces, L&T Defence, Goa Shipyard Limited, Garden Reach Shipbuilders Limited, etc. It has executed an exclusive manufacturing agreement with Munition India Limited for export of ammunition. At present, this under-the-radar defence company is ticking all the right boxes. It has a heavy order book which provides future revenue visibility. On top of that, its massive long-term deal with Munition India makes sure that the company is progressing well on the defense front and contributing to the sector's overall growth. India's defense ambitions are soaring and homegrown companies are taking center stage. There are certainly many opportunities for investors in this exciting space. But don't get carried away. Investors should conduct thorough research, do corporate governance checks, consider regulatory risks, policy shifts, and execution challenges before making investment decisions. That's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family and make them as smart as you are. This is Zil from Equitymaster. Thanks for tuning in.